this video, I want to show you how to use the Canva AI image grab tool. So open any Canva project of your choice or open an existing one. Alright, so you can see that this image is fixed together with this background. So supposing I want to lift the two images in this graphic, what I will do is I will just tap on this picture. If it is a graphic design that is already grouped and you want to lift an image from it, you just tap on the graphics. If it is a picture like this one, you just tap on it, click on effects, then come to magic grab. With this magic grab tool, can you see this image has been detached from the background, so I can take this out. So this is how the magic grab AI tool works. If you have any graphic or any picture that you want to extract an image from that graphic or picture, you just bring it to Canva, then click on effect, then click on magic grab, and it will take out the image for you. This is a beautiful tool from Canva, and it's going to help you ease the work of removing backgrounds or trying to crop the image. So let's look at another example quickly. This is a graphic. You can see that this graphic is grouped, and I want to extract this image from this graphic. I'll just tap on it, click on effects, click on magic grab. It's going to load. You can see that this image has been detached from the graphics. So this is how the magic grab tool works. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment.